morning, children. Everyone, open your environmental studies textbook. And we are in the lesson growing plants. Yesterday we have completed up to page number 40, and today we are going to start with the page number 41. Okay. Explosion also yesterday I have explained you. See, some fruits curl up on drying. Dry అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అవి ఏమవుతాయి ఇలా చుట్టబెట్టుకుపోయినట్టు అయిపోయి when they are come in touch with the water, the seed will come out and then your new plant will come from that place. Okay. Now we are going to start the story of tea. Okay. So now see, early morning our parents or grandparents they are habituated to have some cup of tea in the morning to have some energy. So let us know the story of the tea now. Okay. Tea is a very popular drink in India. It is made from a tropical evergreen plant that grows well on heights between 1000 and 2000 meters. So it is a popular drink in India. Usually everywhere and even in the functions or wherever we see, they'll have a habit of having a cup of tea. Okay, to make them refresh and to be energetic, they'll have that one. Okay. So here this is an evergreen plant and it will grow on the heights, children. So 1000 and 2000 meters. The plant can grow to 9 meters. So the height of the plant will be 9 meters, okay? But it is pruned or trimmed to a height of 2 to 3 meters. Even though it can grow up to 9 meters, they will trim that one. Only by the height at the 2 or 3 meters, they will trim that plant, okay? It needs to get enough rainfall but cannot tolerate standing water around its roots. So it needs some sufficient water, enough water. But if water is there in and around that plant, no, it can't bear, it will die soon. So that is the reason it should therefore be planted along a slope of hill that receives enough rainfall so that the water drains away. So that is the reason they will be in the slopes, children. So that if the water, heavy rains are there, means what will happen? The water will go down. Yes or no? So this is the reason why they are grown in the slopy areas. The plant may grow at other places, but it would not have the quality and quantity of leaves needed to manufacture tea. So even though we can grow this plant in some other areas, no, but the quality and quantity, the taste and the flavor will not come there. Okay. Tea can be grown either from marble-sized seeds that grow out of its white flowers or from cutting taken from a mother plant and prepared in a nursery for 9 or 10 months. So how this plant will come, children? First of all, it can be grown from the marble-sized seeds. The marble-sized means marble will be this much, no, this much of seeds. Or from the cutting, the mother plants will be there, no? From that cuttings they will take and they'll again put into the another place, okay, to get a new plant in this way. And they'll be brought up to 9 or 10 months. In the nurseries they will put that one and they will take care from 9 to 10 months and then a new plant will come there. Okay, it is believed that the Chinese started growing tea. So what is the belief of our people now? Chinese, they have started this growing tea. About 5000 years ago, there was a Chinese emperor who always boiled water for drinking it. So here, it's a small story about the tea, children. So one Chinese emperor who says always boiled water before drinking it. That this king has an habit. He always used to drink only the boiling water. Okay. One day, a few tea leaves fell into the pot of boiling water. So when the boiling water is boiling, no, one day, fortunately or unfortunately, what happened? Some of the leaves has fallen into the boiling water there. Okay. It gave the water a delightful flavor. As soon as it boiled in that water, no, a delightful flavor, what is that special flavor? Okay, the emperor liked it very much and wanted to have it every day. So as soon as he tastes that one, no, he liked that much very much and he wanted to have the same every day. Okay, the leaves that fell into the water were those of wild tea plants. So what are the leaves that fell into that boiling water? They are the wild tea plant trees. Okay, plants. Soon the Chinese began to boil tea leaves in water to enjoy a refreshing drink. So as soon as they have tasted that one, all the Chinese started that boiling these leaves in the water and started drinking that flavored tea. And they used to call that as a refreshing drink. Later the habit of drinking tea spread all over the world. So it was spread all over the world. Everyone started drinking this tea. Okay. In 1823, wild tea plants were discovered in Assam by a British army officer. So in 1823, in which year, children? In 1823. So what happened? These tea plants were discovered by one of the British army officer in Assam. Okay. In 1840, the Britishers imported tea seeds and into India from China. So they have imported, in which year? In 1840, they have imported these trees from India from China. So from China they have imported these plants. This led to the establishment of commercial tea plantation in India. So in 1840 they have brought the children from China. So from that onwards they are continuing this growing these tea plants. Okay, tea is now cultivated in northeast India, mostly in Darjeeling and Assam. Those two are the best places for first of all to grow these tea plants. So they are in the northeast of India. It is also cultivated along the slopes of the Nilgiri Hills in South India and Kangra Hills in Himachal Pradesh. Not only in Darjeeling and Assam, but also they are also growing in which places, children? Nilgiri Hills in South India and as well as Kangra Hills in which place? Himachal Pradesh. Okay, turn the page. We have completed 41. Here one activity is there, children. This is a funny activity, but you don't try here. Okay, see. Make a cup of hot tea. So because you are the smaller ones, you should not go near the stoves and all. Just read this one. Take half cup of water in a pan. So you have to take one pan and half cup of water you should pour in that. Okay. Put it on a gas stove with lower flame. So the lower flame means what? In the sim you have to put that one. Add 1 teaspoon of tea powder to it when the water starts boiling. So as soon as the water starts boiling, what you have to do? You have to add 1 teaspoon of tea powder. Okay. Now increase the flame level and add 2 to 3 grinded cardamom seeds. Ilachi. ఏలక్కాయలు ఉంటాయి కదమ్మా, వాటిని ఏంటి క్రష్ చేసేసి బాగా you have to add that 2 to 3. Okay, and make sure that you allow the water to boil with tea first for 2 minutes, then add cardamom. Okay, 2 minutes boil ayin tarvata you have to add this cardamom. Wait for 2 minutes and then add sugar and add 5 to 10 grams of chopped ginger to it. Chopped ginger ante entamma cut chesina allam mukkalni kuda daniki add cheyamanar. Okay, now wait for 2 minutes and then add sugar. After boiling with ginger also you have to add sugar, sufficient sugar. Let it boil for another 2 minutes on high flame and then half cup of milk pour in it. So 2 to 5 minutes of the boil ayin tarvata pour half cup of milk. So pouring the milk depends upon the taste of that particular person. Those who have the habit of drinking the tea. Why? Because someone they will drink only this water tea, okay, without pouring the milk, and someone they'll go with only the milk tea. Okay, so here quantity of milk should depend on your choice, as some people like less milk in their tea. They want more water in that tea content. Okay, lower the flame level and level it to boil for another 5 minutes. As soon as you pour the milk, you have to sim the stove and you have to boil it for 5 more minutes. Okay, this is the activity, children, about the tea, how to prepare a tea. Okay, now plants from other countries. So whatever we are having, all are not born here. We have brought that some of the plants from other countries too. Here are some of the plants they have given here. Plants from other countries. Many plants popular in India have originated in other countries. Popular in India ante ikkada manaki chaala ishtam anta. We like those plants very much. They are originated in other states and other countries. Okay, we have brought them to our country. What are those? Let us read about some of them. Potato originated in Peru. So potato is from where? Which place, children? It is from Peru. Everyone will like the potato. That too, children will like potato very much. No, it was originated in which place? That is Peru. Okay, onion is a native of Egypt, and onion is from Egypt. Watermelon was the first growth in South Africa. Watermelon is from South Africa, and wheat was first grown in Syria and Turkey. Apple originated in China. Banana and mango came from East Asia. Coffee was first grown in Brazil, and cloves and pepper originated in Indonesia. Cloves and pepper means what? Lavangalu, miryalu antam kadamma avi. And cinnamon came from Sri Lanka. Chilies originated in Chile, South America. So these are the ones, children, which we brought from other countries. Also known is there, see, India is the largest producer of chilies in the world and contributes 25% of the world production. మిరపకాయలు పండించడంలోనే మన ఇండియా చాలా పెద్ద ప్రొడ్యూసర్ అన్నమాట, చాలా ఎక్కువగా పండిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. Okay, and it gives 25% of the world production. Okay, children, and here you have the preparation for essay. Tick the correct answers are there. No, you have to read the textbook and choose the correct option. Okay, and today's your homework is from page number 43, 4th and 5th questions. Read and write them in your homework book with good handwriting. Give finger gap between word and a word. Don't forget it, children. Have a good day. Thank you.